I'm going to show you a trick that helped take care of one of my biggest problems I had with my Edwardian desk. And the nice thing is you can do this with pretty much all pieces of furniture, no matter how old or new they are. The biggest problems were these drawers sticking. It took so much effort to open and close these things. It was like this with all the drawers. Especially this top one, oh my gosh. Thankfully, the solution is an easy one. Using simple beeswax, I'm going to go over these raw edges on the bottom of the drawer, and I'll be doing this on the inside as well. Once wood gets exposed like this, it tends to stick and splinter. By using beeswax, it's going to help these drawers slide in and out so much easier. And it's important to make sure that you get the inside of the drawer as well. Okay, are you ready for the result? Okay, I'm going to be doing this to all of my drawers now. I knew it would help, but I didn't realize that it would help this much. I ended up doing every single one of them. Now it's going to make my experience using this desk so much better. Special little secret that came with this desk was an original appraisal. Appraised for $1,500 in 1981, that's $5,306 today.